whiskey iced tea. Hey, for a long time, we didn't mess around with whiskey, but now we're there, okay? Time to join us. So that's a bunch of hot water we dropping in tea bags, okay? Just to get as much tea as we can. These are really cheap tea bags as well. Anyway, pack that up, allow that tea to just seep out. I think that's Earl Grey, okay? You guys like Earl Grey? Now, in a little food processor, we put in some peach slices, okay? Frozen peach slices. Add in some sugar to make it even sweeter. Lemon juice, we squeeze that in there. Bang, good to go. Even more lemon juice, and then we hit that food processor. Get a nice little blend going on, okay? A little slushy. Grab our tea, throw away our tea bags. Those are reusable tea bags, by the way. Okay, they're not reusable, but I reuse them. Nothing goes to waste. Pour in our tea, okay? Waste not, want not. I learned that in church. Congregation, if you don't waste, you will not want. Now let's take up a collection for the building fund. Boy, we had a lot of building fund. Seriously, I donate enough money to build the Empire State Building twice. Anyway, that's another story. Pour that all in the pitcher, hit it with the whiskey, bang, good to go, okay? Put in our little processed peach. I know it look kind of nasty, right? But when it blends in, okay, this is the same kind of peach tea that you buy in the supermarket. This just homemade. Put in a little lemon slice just to make it look sexy. Be the center of attention. Kind of like an eye staring at you. Kind of freaks you out if you're high. I'm not high, but it's freaking me the hell out. Maybe I'm a little high. Anyway, pour that in. Bang, we're good. Look at that deliciousness, okay? Whiskey goodness, okay? By the way, another name for whiskey, water of life. Put in a little mint spray just so you could say you're sexy, colorful straw, and you're good for the beach. I know a lot of y'all still in winter, but it's always summer here in California. Okay, I do a little smell test. Sip, 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 and it's good to go. Stay tipsy, my friends, stay tipsy.